A part of Azure AI Speech Services you might have already used in your daily life. Like if you go to your Microsoft Edge browser and search for a sample page and then go to Settings and More section, hover on More Tools and click on Read Aloud. So your Microsoft Edge browser start reading text on the
About
web page.
3010,000 results. Images of sample page.
In the backend, it utilizes a part of Azure AI Speech Services to convert text displayed on the screen to speech. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and voice technology with a focus on Azure AI Speech Services. If you are curious about how AI is transforming the way we interact with technology, you are in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon to stay updated on all the things tech. Now let's jump right into it. Azure AI Speech Services is a part of Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services, a suite of powerful tools that bring AI within the reach for developers without requiring any expertise in machine learning. Today, we are specifically exploring how Azure AI Speech Services is revolutionizing the way we integrate speech capabilities into application. Whether you are building a chatbot or a voice-enabled app or a transcription service, Azure AI Speech Services has got you covered. One of the key features is speech to text. This allows you to transcribe spoken words into written text, making it incredibly useful for applications like transcription services, voice assistants, or even voice search. It's accurate, fast, and support multiple languages, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. Now let's talk about text to speech. With this feature, you can convert written text into lifelike, natural sounding speech. Imagine your application or services communicate with users in a human-like voice. We have already seen this example earlier.
About 3010,000 results.
It's not only enhance user experience but also open up possibilities for accessibility features in your application. Speech translation is another game changer. It allows you to build application that can translate spoken language in real time. Just think about the global possibilities this opens up for businesses, travel applications, or any services that require multilingual communication. It's breaking down language barriers in real time. Now let's explore some real-world application of Azure AI Speech Services. Virtual assistants have become an integral part of our daily life. Azure AI Speech Services can power these assistants, making them more intelligent and capable of understanding and responding to natural language. Accessibility is a top priority in today's tech landscape. With text-to-speech capabilities, Azure AI Speech Services can make application more accessible for users with visual impairments, ensuring that technology is inclusive for all. For businesses operating on a global scale, speech translation can be a game changer in customer support. It enables real-time translation during conversation, providing seamless communication between customers and support teams regardless of language differences. As we wrap up for our exploration of Azure AI Speech Services, it's clear that the power of voice is transforming the way we interact with technology. From transcribing spoken words to enabling multilingual communication, the possibilities are vast. If you are a developer looking to add voice capabilities to your application, Azure AI Speech Services is a tool you definitely want in your arsenal. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Azure AI Speech Services, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what other tech topics you would like me to cover. Until next time, signing off, happy coding.